My name is Patrick McGuire. I live in Malahide. Some years ago I decided I needed to upgrade my heating system, and I shortlisted 4 potential suppliers, Arc Heating being one of them. I had a number of exchanges with each one of the 4 and posed a long list of questions, and Arc Heating I found to be the most forthcoming in terms of the detail and the quickness and the fullness of the response from them. When I decided to go with them, having agreed the price, the terms and so on, I had a couple of meetings with Philip from Arc Heating, and we decided that the Worcester Bosch system was the best one to go with, the 2-tier system, heating upstairs and downstairs separately with a separate direct supply of hot water. I had checked on the various boilers and had decided on the Worcester Bosch as being one of the most efficient, and in particular because Philip from Arc Heating was an accredited supplier from Worcester Bosch, and they were offering a guarantee which I think is now 10 years. The work was done on time, on budget, quickly, neatly, efficiently. I was very happy. One of the neighbours asked me about the system that I had installed, so I gave him the tour, and he seemed very pleased. And my understanding is that in fact he also got Arc Heating to supply a similar system and is equally happy.